Hello friends. First of all, I welcome all of you to my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video, we'll learn about how to import a CSV data into Power BI Desktop Insight. So let's start here. So here we can see get data icon here. So if you put cursor here, it will show connect to data from multiple sources here. So here we will see what are the multiple sources here we have. So click here. Here we can see if you click here more. Yeah, we have so many options here, around 100 options here. But since we are working for the CSV file, so we'll select that option. So we click here text CSV. Here CSV stands for comma separated value. So connect here. Now go to the folder where this is our data set ny property underscore cells. So click here. So it is getting connected here. Sometimes based on the data set, it takes time also. So here we can see the preview of data which we are going to import. If we have ID, area, neighborhood, building class category, address. Some columns are empty like land square feet, gross square feet, like that it is. Your data size not that much big here. So remember one thing, whenever we are going to load any data, means we are going to import any data like CSV, Excel and all. So better go for transform data. This is always advisable when you are working in the project. Now after clicking transform data, we can see all the value here like ID, area and all. So what are the valid data 100%, error 0% empty means this data is fine. Same here valid 100%. Like that we can see the preview of all the data here. We can also see how many distinct value, unique value. We can see all those things. See here valid, mostly all are the blank value here. So what are the data, what is their format, everything you can see here. Now, since as of now we are not making any changes here, since our data is clean, so no need to do any changes here now. Now discard change here. Here our data is getting loaded here. So after the data is imported here, we can see all the column here like address, area, building, gross. If suppose if it is numeric field, so we can see here summation icon here means data is added here. Here built zip code. So sometime it may having sales price, profit, a quantity, and also for that it will be having like this symbol here. Same way here, like this is for the reporting purpose here. If we go here in the data view, there also we can see the data. Yes, we can see the data overview here. And this is our model here. Here we can see the table like this is the NY property cells under these are the column like that. So here in the model view there might be more than one table like this. So how to build the relationship between those tables, we'll learn those things in the later video. So this is all about to how to import the CSV data into Power BI desktop.